into this session I'm going to discuss about the rectangle command. So by using this command you can able to draw a rectangle or a square. So here the command is REC. So by using this command you can able to create a rectangle. As you can see, I will create a rectangle. Now if I want to draw a rectangle with the specific dimension, I need to specify the dimension. So for that, first I give the command REC, or you can directly select from here, scroll down, then select the rectangle. Okay, specify the first point, first corner point. Now you need to give the dimension, or you need to specify the side. The first dimension is x directions, so that means you need to specify the width first. I will give it's 100, then press the tab button. So I'm directly switch from one dimension to other dimension, and I need to give the dimension is 50 in y direction. That means it is the height. I press enter. So as you can see, the width of the rectangle is 100 and the height of the rectangle is 50. So by using this command, you can able to draw the rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Select and then draw. When you draw the rectangle, at that time when the cursor in which direction are there, the rectangle is drawn in that direction. For example, REC enter. When I click first specify this corner point, as you can see my cursor is in first quadrant or in the right side. When I specify the dimension, at that time the rectangle draw in the direction. When my cursor in left side, at that time when I specify the dimensions, it's 30 and 40. At that time the rectangle draw in the directions. So you can able to control the direction of the rectangle according to your convenience. Thank you.